This video will teach you exactly how you can get SEO clients for your agency or your freelance career. This is the exact stuff I've been doing for years, and this is helping me make money. And yeah, I'm gonna exactly tell you what all the stuff I'm doing so that you can do the same for your business. Now, why am I actually telling you that? Simply because I do believe in abundance mindset. There are enough clients out there for each of us to make money. It's not a race, it's not a competition between each other. We all can certainly make money from this. And even if you're a local business owner watching this video, this would help you because you can do the same for your business. Let's get into the video without any further ado. There are majorly two platforms that I use to get clients. Firstly, content creation on YouTube. Second, Facebook. Right? Let's start with Facebook because that's an easier and faster one. What you'll have to do is join certain Facebook groups. Let's say you want to get local SEO clients. Do you have any niche? If you do, if you serve only to landscape companies, then join landscape Facebook groups. There are tons of them. Just go on Facebook, for instance, here and search for landscaping, things like that. And you'll be able to join a lot of groups from here. Now here, just don't go and pitch your service. Instead, when someone asks for, let's say, any sort of marketing help, things like that, comment there. Comment that, hey, this is exactly how you do that. And answer it better than anyone else. That's how you get better results. That's how you get more eyeballs on you, right? That's one of the best steps. Further, you can kind of publish certain posts on Facebook teaching them how to DIY their marketing. Now you might say that, Yash, why will I teach someone how to marketing? Because I want them to come to me to do marketing for them, right? But again, the thing is, if that post reaches to 10 landscapers and 8 of them learn something and does all of those stuff themselves, the rest too, they need someone because business owners don't have enough time to do that themselves, right? So they do need someone who could do that for them. And the best person who knows about that specific marketing tactic is you, because you exactly told them how to do that at no additional cost or how to do that for free, right? That is the thing. So go join Facebook groups, but still after joining it for 30-60 days, don't post anything because you might be considered as a spam and you might just get kicked off the group. So rather just comment helpful tips. Don't ever try sell them. Don't ever try to sell anyone without asking. If someone asks, hey, do you know any landscape marketing agency, then only do that. In other scenario, don't do that. Just try to help. And selling or getting a client is a byproduct of helping someone. So yeah, follow that. Second, if you don't really have any specific niche, you can just join a lot of Facebook SEO, local SEO groups, and people do kind of post a lot of questions there. You can help them by answering it really helpfully, really well, things like that. And once you do that really consistently, like for 30, 60, 90 days, because that's how I used to get clients initially, you'll see that people are actually outreaching to you asking that, hey Yash, I saw your comment on this post and it was really helpful. Do you also give this SEO service or things like that? And you would be saying, hell yeah, let's jump on a call to see if I can potentially help you or things like that. This is how you do that. Further, you can join your city specific groups. That's pretty easy. You just have to type in your city specific term and again, group all the groups will be showcased, right? Second, content. This is a very long-term stuff. You are not gonna get results from this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. So if you are consistent enough, then you'll be seeing results coming from this. Now exactly what you have to do. Let's say again, if you run a landscape marketing agency, create content on YouTube teaching people how to do marketing for landscape businesses. Give them all for free. Then if they find it useful, if you're getting views, when we are talking about views, even 50, 60 views are enough to get a client, because you're not trying to attract mass audience, right? You're just trying to attract a really targeted audience. So if you get like 50, 60 views, and if that's hyper targeted, those 50, 60 might convert into client. That's an easy thing, right? So put out content out there and do that consistently for an year. Put like 2 to 3 videos a week at the very least on YouTube. And yeah, I'm really sure if you do that for a year, at least you're gonna get results for sure. You will be seeing leads coming from that way, right? Further, you can repurpose these content that you're putting on YouTube to Facebook, to Instagram, and to LinkedIn. You can further clip these videos. I do that. You can clip these videos into short videos or reel videos, and you can publish them on Insta. You can publish them on TikTok, and you can repurpose one video into 8 to 10 different short form videos. So you're actually reaching to bigger audience but putting only one-time effort, right? So that's the thing. But the key thing is consistency. If you're not consistent enough, you won't be seeing results from content, because it's a long-term game. But at the same time, you're building a lead magnet for you, right? Because people are going to trust you since you're creating content for them for free. That's exactly what I'm doing, right? You're seeing me, and you would for sure trust me over any random guy, you know, who just outreaches to you and asks that, hey, are you interested in buying SEO service or things like that, you know? You get my point. This is the exact stuff that has worked for me. Further, you can do cold outreach, but you have to nail down on your offer. You cannot do things like, you know, hey, I'm going to charge you $15 a month for XYZ SEO service. Are you interested, or things like that? You'll have to remove the friction from their mind, right? For instance, you'll have to say that, hey, if we don't get you ranked in the next 90 days, I'll refund you the whole money, or only pay once you're getting 5 leads or calls a month, things like that. You'll have to remove the friction from their mind, because those are cold leads, right? They're getting emails every single day from tons of marketing companies, paper lead companies as well. So how will you stand out? You'll have to nail down on your offer. And there's a guy called Chris Walker on YouTube. Go and search him. He talks really well about how to exactly nail down on your SEO offer, right? This is the exact stuff I learned from him. If you are doing cold outreach and things like that, because I do that as well in my agency, you have to nail down on your offer. You'll have to remove friction from their mind. You'll have to say something like, hey, we'll get you 15 leads in the next 45 days, and if we don't, we'll refund you 100% money, or we'll work for free until we do, things like that. The second option that I said, work for free until we do, that doesn't work that well. But yeah, if you could just refund them money, or you just don't charge them until they say results, that's a great offer. That's how you do that. This is all about getting clients for your business. I hope you like this video. If you have got any other questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Have a great day.